Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T, and today I'll show you how Face Unlock works in the smartphone. So I'm going to make the few tries and let's see how it performs. Okay, so as you can see, the Face Unlock is reliable. It recognizes my face in a very try. It's fast, but for me the best option to unlock this phone is to use the fingerprint sensor. As you can see, it's a little bit faster than the Face Unlock. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.